What if every time you pull up to a pump and pay extra for premium fuel, you're getting ripped off? Not occasionally, regularly. Some of the most recognizable fuel brands in America are selling premium that barely meets minimum government standards, while charging you top-tier prices for it. Today we're naming 10 of them. And at the end we'll tell you exactly which stations are actually worth your money. Subscribe if you're new. Let's get into it. Number 1, 7-Eleven. Start here because most people would never suspect the convenience store on every corner is quietly selling substandard premium fuel. 7-Eleven's fuel is not top-tier certified. That matters because top-tier is the standard set by automakers, not the government, requiring higher detergent levels to keep injectors and intake valves clean. Without those detergents, modern engines, especially turbocharged and direct injection units, build up carbon deposits over time that hurt performance, reduce fuel economy, and eventually require expensive cleaning or repairs. 7-Eleven sources fuel from various local suppliers depending on the region. That creates serious inconsistency. One station might provide clean fuel. Another might have sediment or water contamination. Franchise ownership adds another layer of variation. Station maintenance and storage practices differ from location to location. Drivers have reported engine knock, rough idling, and sluggish throttle after filling up regularly. You're paying premium prices. You're not getting premium protection. Number 2, Speedway. Over 3,300 locations nationwide. Rewards programs. Convenient locations. And fuel that isn't top-tier certified. Speedway is owned by 7-Eleven, and many of the same problems follow. Their premium fuel may lack the strong cleaning additives that modern engines need. Customers have reported rough idling and sluggish throttle response at certain locations. Because many stations are franchised, quality control varies significantly from one pump to the next. There have been isolated concerns about water contamination in storage tanks. While not widespread, these issues can damage fuel pumps and injectors over time, components that are not cheap to replace. The convenience and location density make Speedway attractive. The engine protection is not guaranteed. Subscribe for more videos every week. Hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Number 3, Circle K. Circle K used to hold top-tier certification at many locations. Many have since dropped the standard. And that's the problem with a brand this large operating across so many different markets. Without consistent top-tier certification, premium fuel at Circle K may lack the detergent levels that turbocharged and direct injection engines need. Some stations have been flagged by state regulators for poor storage practices. Cloudy or sediment-laden fuel has been reported, which can damage fuel pumps and clog injectors over time. Drivers have reported rough idling and engine hesitation after using premium at certain locations. These complaints aren't universal, but they indicate a pattern of inconsistency that you should not be accepting when you're paying a premium price for a premium product. Number 4, Kroger Fuel Centers. A grocery chain with fuel stations attached. Convenient for shoppers. Less convenient for anyone who needs their engine to last. Kroger's premium fuel typically contains minimal detergent additives. The brand sources from multiple suppliers, which leads to inconsistency between stations. One Kroger tank might be clean and well-maintained. Another might not be. Reports exist of sediment and minor water contamination at certain pumps. Long-term use of low-detergent fuel causes rough idling, reduced acceleration, and clogged injectors in engines that need proper additives to stay clean. Kroger meets minimum EPA requirements. That means the fuel is legal, not that it's protecting your engine. Paying extra for premium here is mostly paying for octane, not for the cleaning additives that modern engines actually need. Number 5, Sam's Club. Membership required. Budget pricing. And premium fuel that doesn't guarantee strong detergent protection. Sam's Club attracts drivers because the price is usually lower than competitors. Lower prices on fuel almost always mean compromises somewhere, and at Sam's Club that compromise tends to be in the additive package. Their premium fuel does not guarantee the detergent levels required to protect turbocharged and direct injection engines from carbon buildup. Fuel quality varies by location because they source from multiple suppliers. One station may perform well. Another may not. Membership gives a sense of security and exclusivity that isn't reflected in what's actually coming out of the pump. Paying less for premium sounds smart. Getting fewer cleaning additives in return is not. Number 6, Gulf. One of the oldest names in the fuel industry. And one of the most uncertain right now. Gulf often does not carry top-tier certification, which means premium fuel may meet basic EPA requirements. while falling short of the higher engine cleaning standards that automakers actually recommend. Without those additives, carbon deposits build in injectors and intake valves over time, hurting performance and fuel economy gradually enough that most drivers never connect the damage to the fuel. The bigger concern arrived in late 2023 when RACETRACK acquired Gulf in the US. RACETRACK is known for budget pricing and non-top-tier fuel at its own stations. Whether Gulf's quality standards will be maintained long-term or quietly downgraded to cut costs is now genuinely uncertain. Scattered reports of engine hesitation and contamination at certain Gulf locations already exist. The brand's premium promise is increasingly difficult to verify. Subscribe for more videos every week. Hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Number 7. RACETRACK. This is the company that bought Gulf, and understanding RACETRACK explains a lot about why Gulf made the previous entry. RACETRACK operates across more than 40 states, primarily in the Southeast. Their stations are not top-tier certified. Premium fuel lacks the strong detergent additives that engines with direct injection or turbocharging need to avoid carbon buildup. Fuel quality varies because they buy from different suppliers. One tank of premium might be cleaner than the next. Some RACETRACK stations have had reported issues with sediment and water contamination in local inspections. Older storage tanks at certain locations increase that risk. Long-term drivers have noticed rough idling and engine knocking after regular use. The Gulf branding may look premium at a RACETRACK-owned station. The fuel underneath it may not perform that way. Number 8. Marathon. Thousands of locations across the US. Easy to trust because it's everywhere. But wide availability has never been the same thing as consistent quality. Marathon has faced criticism for detergent standards that don't reliably meet the higher levels drivers expect when paying for premium. Not every location consistently delivers the cleaning additives that protect injectors and valves. Some stations do, others rely on local supply chains that create real differences from one pump to another. The bigger concern is compliance history. In 2024, Marathon agreed to pay a $64.5 million Clean Air Act penalty, one of the largest ever for an oil and gas facility. Regulators found widespread violations of emissions standards at multiple sites. When a company has that kind of compliance record at the refining and storage level, the question of how consistently quality fuel reaches local pumps is not unreasonable to ask. 4 turbo and high compression engines, inconsistency is the enemy. You might get a good tank. You might get one that causes knock, hesitation, or reduced power. Number 9. CITGO. Half this list covers poor additive standards. CITGO adds legal, political, and contamination concerns on top of that. CITGO is owned by PDV Holding, which is tied to Venezuela's state oil company. U.S. sanctions on Venezuela have left CITGO in a complicated position for years. Ownership has shifted. Courts have been involved in debt disputes and asset auctions. None of that inspires confidence in a company you're trusting to supply clean fuel to your engine. Beyond the ownership issues, CITGO has faced EPA and Justice Department action for Clean Air Act violations at its refineries. In 2013 and again later, the company agreed to pay penalties and fund repairs after. Regulators found failures to test for and control harmful pollutants including benzene. In 2023, CITGO issued a warning to stations about a fuel contamination issue at a Tampa terminal, instructing them to stop selling certain batches. Premium prices tied to a brand with this history of legal, political, and contamination problems is not a combination worth paying for. Number 10. Independent budget stations. The most dangerous entry on this list, and the one where real engine damage happens fastest. Small independent stations with no brand name and no accountability often sell fuel that comes from off-spec batches or low-quality blends, sometimes including leftover or waste fuel from refineries that modern engines were not designed to run on. Storage tanks are frequently old, poorly maintained, or contaminated. Water and sediment are common issues. These can destroy fuel pumps and clog injectors quickly. There is almost no quality control. No top-tier certification. Minimal or non-existent detergents. Premium labeling at these stations is often purely marketing. There is no guarantee anything in that pump meets any standard beyond the legal minimum. Consumer complaints online regularly appear after cars are damaged from independent station fuel. Catalytic converters, fuel pumps, injectors, all at risk. Repairs from bad fuel can cost thousands. Saving a few cents per gallon at an unknown independent station is one of the most expensive decisions a driver can make. 10 stations. All of them charging you premium prices for fuel that may not deliver premium protection. Some fall short on detergents. Some have contamination histories. Some have legal and compliance records that should make any driver think twice. Knowing which pumps to avoid before you pull in is worth real money over the life of your engine. The stations worth trusting are the ones with consistent top-tier certification and strong additive packages. Chevron, Shell, ExxonMobil, Costco, and Valero are the names that consistently deliver what premium fuel is supposed to do. Subscribe, we cover this kind of content every week. Now the comment section is yours. Which station on this list surprised you most? And which one do you normally use? Drop it honestly below. Let's see what everyone is actually putting in their engines.